Marketing Creatio Online Training. Marketing Creatio Overview. Marketing Creatio is part of the Creatio Suite, a comprehensive business process management and CRM platform. It's designed to streamline marketing activities, enhance customer engagement, and drive more effective campaigns. Here's an overview of its key features and functionalities. 1. Campaign Management. Campaign planning. Create and manage multi-channel marketing campaigns, including email, social media, and SMS. Define goals, target audiences, and schedules. Campaign automation. Automate repetitive tasks such as sending follow-up emails, triggering alerts, and updating records based on customer interactions. 2. Lead management. Lead generation. Capture and qualify leads from various sources, including website forms, social media, and events. Lead scoring. Use scoring models to prioritize leads based on their engagement and potential value. 3. Customer segmentation. Target audience segmentation. Create detailed customer segments based on demographics, behavior, and past interactions. Personalized marketing. Deliver personalized content and offers to different segments to improve engagement and conversion rates. 4. Marketing analytics. Performance tracking. Monitor campaign performance with real-time dashboards and reports. Analyze metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Insights and optimization. Gain insights into customer behavior and campaign effectiveness to refine strategies and improve ROI. 5. Content management. Content creation. Develop and manage marketing content, including emails, landing pages, and social media posts. Content personalization. Customize content for different audience segments to increase relevance and engagement. 6. Integration capabilities. CRM integration. Seamlessly integrate with Creatio CRM to ensure alignment between marketing and sales teams. Third-party integration. Connect with other tools and platforms, such as email marketing services, social media networks, and analytics tools. 7. Event management. Event planning. Organize and manage marketing events, such as webinars, conferences, and trade shows. Event promotion. Use automated marketing to promote events and track attendee registration and engagement. 8. Workflow automation. Process automation. Automate marketing workflows such as lead nurturing, customer follow-ups, and task assignments. Business rules. Define and apply business rules to ensure consistency and efficiency in marketing processes. 9. Customer journey mapping. Journey visualization. Map out customer journeys to understand their interactions with your brand and identify opportunities for engagement. Journey optimization. Use data-driven insights to optimize customer journeys and enhance the overall experience. 10. Collaboration tools. Team collaboration. Facilitate collaboration among marketing team members with shared workspaces, task management, and communication tools. Feedback and review. Gather feedback and conduct reviews to improve marketing strategies and execution. Campaign management with Marketing Creatio. Campaign management with Marketing Creatio involves a set of processes and tools designed to help businesses plan, execute, and analyze their marketing campaigns effectively. Here's a detailed overview of how it works. 1. Campaign planning. Defining objectives. Set clear goals for what you want to achieve with the campaign, such as increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or boosting sales. Audience segmentation. Use CRM data to segment your audience based on demographics, behavior, and preferences. This helps in targeting the right audience with personalized messages. Budget allocation. Plan and allocate your budget for various campaign activities and channels. Marketing Creatio allows you to track and manage these budgets. 2. Campaign creation. Designing campaigns. Create marketing materials such as emails, landing pages, and advertisements. Marketing Creatio provides tools for designing and customizing these assets. Multi-channel campaigns. Execute campaigns across multiple channels including email, social media, SMS, and more. Integrations with various platforms help in managing and tracking these channels. 3. Execution. Automated workflows. Set up automated workflows for campaign execution. This includes scheduling emails, social media posts, and other activities. Task management. Assign tasks to team members and track progress. Marketing Creatio helps in managing these tasks efficiently and ensuring timely execution. 4. Tracking and analytics. Performance tracking. Monitor the performance of your campaigns in real time. Marketing Creatio provides dashboards and reports to track metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. A/B testing. Conduct A/B testing to determine the most effective campaign elements, such as subject lines or call to actions. 5. Optimization. Feedback and adjustments. Analyze campaign performance and gather feedback. Use insights to make adjustments and optimize ongoing or future campaigns. Reporting. Generate detailed reports to evaluate the success of your campaigns and understand the ROI. 6. Integration and automation. Integration with CRM. Seamlessly integrate campaign data with your CRM system to ensure alignment with sales and customer service efforts. Marketing automation. Automate repetitive tasks such as follow-up emails and lead nurturing to enhance efficiency. Lead generation and nurturing in Marketing Creatio. Lead generation and nurturing in Marketing Creatio, formerly BPM Online, involves a range of features and strategies designed to attract, manage, and engage potential customers throughout their journey. Here's an overview of how Marketing Creatio supports these processes. Lead generation. Lead capture. Web forms. Create customizable web forms to capture leads from your website. Forms can be embedded on landing pages or pop-ups to collect visitor information. Landing pages. Design and publish landing pages tailored to specific campaigns or offers to attract and convert prospects. Social media integration. Leverage social media channels to generate leads. Creatio can integrate with platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter to capture leads from social media interactions. Email campaigns. Use email marketing tools to send targeted campaigns and capture leads through calls to action, CTAs, and subscription forms. Lead scoring. Automated scoring. Assign scores to leads based on their engagement level and behavior, such as email opens, clicks, and form submissions. This helps prioritize high-quality leads. Custom scoring models. Develop and customize scoring models to align with your business objectives and criteria for lead qualification. Lead sources and tracking. Source tracking. Track the sources of your leads to understand which channels are most effective and adjust your strategies accordingly. Attribution models. Use attribution models to determine the impact of various touchpoints and channels on lead generation. Lead nurturing. Lead segmentation. Dynamic segmentation. Segment leads based on criteria such as demographics, behavior, and engagement level. This allows for targeted and personalized communication. Custom filters. Apply custom filters to create specific lead segments for tailored marketing efforts. Automated workflows. Lead nurturing campaigns. Design and automate lead nurturing workflows that send personalized messages, follow-ups, and offers based on lead behavior and interactions. Drip campaigns. Set up drip campaigns to deliver a series of automated emails or messages over time, nurturing leads through the sales funnel. Content personalization. Personalized messaging. Use dynamic content and personalized messaging to engage leads based on their interests and behavior. Targeted offers. Provide relevant offers and content based on lead segmentation and past interactions. Lead interaction tracking. Activity tracking. Monitor lead interactions with your content, such as email opens, clicks, and website visits, to understand their interests and needs. Engagement metrics. Analyze engagement metrics to refine your nurturing strategies and improve lead conversion rates. Lead conversion. Lead qualification. Use lead qualification criteria and scoring to identify and prioritize leads that are ready for sales engagement. Segmentation and targeting with Marketing Creatio. Segmentation and targeting with Marketing Creatio involve using the platform's tools and features to effectively identify, categorize, and engage different segments of your audience. Here's a detailed look at how you can achieve this. 1. Segmentation. Data collection and integration. Gather data. Collect data from various sources such as CRM, web analytics, social media, and email campaigns. Integrate data. Use Marketing Creatio's integration capabilities to consolidate data from different sources into a unified database. Defining segments. Criteria-based segmentation. Define segments based on demographic, geographic, psychographic, and behavioral criteria. For instance, you might create segments for different age groups, locations, interests, or purchase behaviors. Dynamic segmentation. Use dynamic rules to create segments that automatically update based on real-time data. For example, you can segment customers who have engaged with recent promotions or who have shown interest in a particular product category. Segmentation tools. Customer profiles. Leverage detailed customer profiles to understand individual behaviors and preferences. This helps in creating more precise segments. Advanced filters. Apply advanced filters to segment your audience based on specific attributes and interactions. 2. Targeting. Personalized campaigns. Tailored messaging. Create personalized marketing messages and offers for each segment. This increases the relevance of your campaigns and improves engagement rates. Content personalization. Use Marketing Creatio's content management features to deliver customized content that resonates with each segment's interests and needs. Campaign management. Targeted campaigns. Set up targeted email, SMS, or social media campaigns for each segment. Utilize Marketing Creatio's campaign management tools to schedule and automate these campaigns. Multi-channel targeting. Engage with your audience through multiple channels, including email, social media, and web, to ensure comprehensive reach and interaction. Performance tracking. Analytics and reporting. Use Marketing Creatio's analytics tools to track the performance of your segmented campaigns. Monitor key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and ROI. A/B testing. Implement A/B testing to compare different strategies and optimize your targeting efforts based on real-time data. Feedback and refinement. Collect feedback. Gather feedback from your campaigns to understand what works and what doesn't. This helps in refining your segments and targeting strategies. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and adjust your segmentation criteria and targeting strategies based on performance data and evolving customer behaviors. Email marketing automation in Marketing Creatio. Email marketing automation in Marketing Creatio allows you to streamline and optimize your email campaigns by automating various aspects of the process. Here's a detailed overview of how you can leverage email marketing automation in Marketing Creatio. 1. Creating and managing email templates. Template design. Use Marketing Creatio's built-in editor to design professional-looking email templates. You can create templates from scratch or customize existing ones. Personalization. Insert dynamic fields to personalize emails based on recipient data, example name, company, past interactions. 2. Segmentation and targeting. Audience segmentation. Automatically segment your email lists based on criteria such as demographics, behavior, and engagement history. Targeted campaigns. Send tailored messages to specific segments to increase relevance and engagement. 3. Automated campaign workflows. Drip campaigns. Set up automated drip campaigns to nurture leads over time. Define triggers, actions, and timing to guide prospects through the funnel. Event-based triggers. Trigger emails based on specific actions or events, such as form submissions, downloads, or abandoned carts. 4. Scheduling and timing. Campaign scheduling. Schedule emails to be sent at optimal times based on recipient time zones or engagement patterns. Time-based actions. Use timing rules to send follow-up emails or reminders based on elapsed time since the last interaction. 5. A/B testing. Test variations. Run A/B tests on different email versions to determine which subject lines, content, or calls to action perform better. Optimize performance. Use test results to optimize future email campaigns for higher open and click-through rates. 6. Analytics and reporting. Performance metrics. Track key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to measure campaign effectiveness. Advanced reporting. Generate detailed reports to analyze the performance of individual emails and overall campaigns and make data-driven decisions. 7. Lead scoring and nurturing. Lead scoring. Automatically score leads based on their interactions with your emails and other touchpoints. Nurturing flows. Develop nurturing flows that adjust the communication strategy based on lead score and engagement level. 8. Integration with CRM. Data synchronization. Sync email interactions with CRM data to keep track of how leads and customers are engaging with your campaigns. Unified view. Access a unified view of all marketing activities and customer interactions to better understand and manage relationships. 9. Compliance and deliverability. Compliance checks. Ensure your email campaigns comply with regulations such as GDPR and CAN-SPAM. Deliverability tools. Use tools to monitor and improve email deliverability, including managing bounce rates and spam complaints. 10. Automation rules and workflows. Custom automation rules. Create custom rules for automating responses and actions based on specific conditions and triggers. Workflow automation. Integrate email marketing automation into broader marketing and sales workflows for seamless execution. Marketing Creatio analytics and reporting. Creatio is a CRM platform with a strong focus on process automation and customer engagement. Its analytics and reporting capabilities are designed to provide actionable insights and help businesses make data-driven decisions. Here's a closer look at the marketing analytics and reporting features of Creatio. Marketing analytics and reporting in Creatio. 1. Dashboard and visualizations. Custom dashboards. Creatio allows users to create personalized dashboards that provide real-time insights into marketing performance. You can add widgets and charts to track key metrics such as campaign effectiveness, lead generation, and customer engagement. Data visualization. The platform supports various types of visualizations, including bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs, to help users easily interpret data trends and patterns. 2. Campaign analytics. Performance metrics. Track the performance of marketing campaigns by measuring metrics like open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and ROI. Segmentation analysis. Analyze how different customer segments respond to campaigns. This helps in understanding which segments are more engaged or responsive. 3. Lead and opportunity tracking. Lead conversion rates. Monitor the progress of leads through the sales funnel and measure conversion rates from initial contact to closed deals. Opportunity analysis. Evaluate the effectiveness of marketing efforts in creating and nurturing sales opportunities. This includes tracking the source of opportunities and their conversion outcomes. 4. Customer engagement metrics. Interaction tracking. Measure how customers interact with marketing materials such as emails, social media posts, and website content. Engagement scores. Assess customer engagement through scoring models that consider interaction frequency and quality. 5. Campaign attribution. Multi-touch attribution. Understand the impact of various marketing touchpoints on customer decisions. Creatio can help attribute conversions to different stages or channels in the marketing journey. Campaign ROI. Calculate the return on investment for each marketing campaign by comparing revenue generated to marketing costs. 6. Reports and analytics tools. Pre-built reports. Creatio offers a range of pre-built reports for common marketing metrics, saving time and providing quick insights. Custom Report Builder. Users can create custom reports to focus on specific data points or metrics that are crucial for their marketing strategies. Export options. Reports can be exported to various formats, such as Excel or PDF, for further analysis or presentation. 7. Integration with external analytics tools. Third-party integrations. Creatio can integrate with external analytics tools like Google Analytics or social media analytics platforms to consolidate data from multiple sources. Data import-export. Seamlessly import data from external sources for a comprehensive view of marketing performance. 8. Predictive analytics. Forecasting. Use historical data to predict future marketing trends and outcomes. This includes forecasting campaign performance and lead generation trends. Trend analysis. Identify emerging trends and patterns in customer behavior and campaign effectiveness. Integration capabilities of marketing Creatio. 1. CRM integration. Seamless data synchronization connects with various CRM systems to ensure that marketing data is consistent across platforms. This integration helps in syncing customer information, tracking interactions, and managing leads more effectively. Lead management automates the process of capturing leads from CRM systems, enriching them with additional marketing data, and nurturing them through targeted campaigns. 2. Email marketing integration. Email service providers integrates with popular email marketing platforms, example MailChimp, SendGrid, to manage email campaigns, track open and click rates, and segment email lists. Campaign automation allows for the automation of email workflows based on customer behavior and engagement metrics. 3. Social media integration. Social listening and engagement connects with social media platforms, example Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, to monitor brand mentions, engage with audiences, and analyze social media performance. Social advertising facilitates the creation and management of social media ad campaigns directly from the platform. 4. Web and analytics integration. Web analytics tools integrates with web analytics services, example Google Analytics, to track website traffic, user behavior, and conversion metrics. Website forms and landing pages connects with website forms and landing pages to capture leads and track their interactions with your marketing content. 5. Customer Data Platforms, CDPs. Data integration integrates with CDPs to consolidate customer data from various sources, providing a unified view of customer interactions and preferences. 6. Sales and marketing automation tools. Marketing automation works with tools that automate marketing tasks, such as lead scoring, customer segmentation, and campaign management. Salesforce automation integrates with sales automation tools to streamline the sales process and improve alignment between marketing and sales teams. 7. Third-party applications and APIs. Custom integrations supports custom integrations through APIs, allowing for the connection with various third-party applications and services tailored to specific business needs. Marketplace add-ons, access to a marketplace for additional integrations and extensions that enhance the platform's capabilities. 8. Data import-export. Data migration facilitates the import and export of marketing data, ensuring smooth transitions and integration with other systems. 9. Event management. Integration with event platforms connects with event management systems to manage registrations, track attendee interactions, and analyze event performance. Why choose ProExcellency for Marketing Creatio online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Marketing Creatio online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency often employs experienced trainers who are well-versed in Marketing Creatio. Their expertise can provide you with in-depth knowledge and practical insights. Comprehensive curriculum. The training programs typically cover all essential aspects of Marketing Creatio, from basic functionalities to advanced features. This ensures a well-rounded understanding of the platform. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency's training usually includes practical exercises and real-world scenarios. This hands-on approach helps reinforce learning and apply concepts effectively. Flexible scheduling. Online training offers the convenience of learning at your own pace and schedule, which is especially useful for professionals with busy schedules. Support and resources. They often provide additional resources, such as guides, documentation, and support forums, to assist learners beyond the training sessions. Certification preparation. If you're aiming for certification, ProExcellency may offer targeted training that aligns with certification requirements, helping you to better prepare for exams. Positive reviews. Previous participants often leave positive feedback about their experiences with ProExcellency's training programs, indicating satisfaction with the quality and effectiveness of the training. Thank you.